Are you looking for the best staple gun? In this video, we will break down the top staple guns on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best staple gun, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Starting off at number 1, we have the Stanley TR150 HL. The Stanley TR150 HL sharpshooter is a versatile staple gun designed for durability and high-speed functioning. Manually powered, it comes with a long main control handle for maximum mechanical advantage. Driving the staple pins into carpets, wood tiles, or upholstery is as easy as it gets, and requires little effort from your hands, meaning you get to do more before getting fatigued. No need to be bothered about bruises from extended use. The main handle is coated with soft rubber to ensure your hands get a good grip and you work conveniently. Many customers attest to its impressive ease of use and soft feel, which gives them convenience almost on par with electric and pneumatic models. The housing of this device is an aviation-grade aluminum alloy. It is high strength and durable, ensuring no damage comes to your machine, and it remains in optimum working condition for a long time. So whether your staple gun falls from a height, or something heavy falls on it, you can be sure it will stand the test of time. The casing is also very lightweight, emphasizing portability, meaning you can carry your staple gun to wherever it's needed, whether it's in or outside the house, without straining yourself. Another amazing feature on Stanley TR150 is its power flexibility and ultimate material adaptability. It comes with a power output control button that gives you the ability to vary the power requirements as needed by different models of varying hardness. For example, working on upholstery or carpeting, we use the lower power setting, while heavy-duty work like joining wood tiles or clipping decorative tapes or stickers to hard tree barks will require the high power setting. This power versatility helps save effort from your hands. The Stanley TR150 also comes with an anti-jamming mechanism to ensure your work moves quickly without any delays. Many staple guns are usually faced with the challenge of jamming staples over extended use. Disassembling the staple compartment to clear up the hole is both energy and time demanding. The special anti-jam mechanism prevents this from happening and enables you to finish what you have to do as soon as possible, as you have more time for yourself and your loved ones. At number 2, we have the PorterCable US58. The PorterCable US58 is a highly efficient and reliable staple gun for both upholstery and reupholstery projects. Many household furniture items like sofas and chairs have corners that are hard to access. It is even more difficult to try fastening the fabric to the base material in these constricted areas. This product easily tackles this problem with an extended fastening tip that will reach into the tightest corners and do the work. So whether it's to create complex contour designs, this gadget will do them splendidly. Probably the most important feature on the PorterCable US58, the pneumatic power support, is the muscle behind this beast. Backed with the right air compressor ratings, this device will drive in staples quickly and efficiently into the toughest materials in your upholstery projects. It can be used with a wide range of compressor types and sizes. A decently sized 1 to 2 horsepower compressor with a rated pressure of about 90 psi will power this tool efficiently. In general, the greater the compressor volume rate and pressure capacity, the greater the fastening power and allowable frequency. This device uses oil for lubrication. Easily accessible inlet and outlet ports allow you to quickly top up or change the oil whenever you need to. Customers are often impressed with the oil seal capabilities. When topped properly, virtually no oil stains to the fabric occur after so many staples are ejected. Protecting the core of the PorterCable US58 is a lightweight, impact-resistant metal casing. Whether the device falls from a height or a heavy object is on it, it will remain in an optimum service condition and resist impact damage. The lightweight body also allows for high portability, meaning you can carry this device outdoors to wherever it is needed without much of a hassle. It also comes with a rubber-coated handle to allow for good grip and firm hold with the shock of each stapling action. The easy-to-use air trigger makes it a convenient tool for just about anybody, irrespective of physical strength. Driving staples into the wood and other materials is as easy as it gets. This consequentially means you get to do as much as possible quickly without getting fatigued. Really impressive is the innovative anti-jam mechanism that gives it the ability to eject thousands of staples over a run without a single jam. And should a jam occur, clearing the staple output hole is as easy as it gets, because the driver guide retracts with the magazine. However, it is restricted to compressors made in specific regions. And at number 3, we have the WorkPro Heavy-Duty Staple Gun Kit. The WorkPro Heavy-Duty Staple Gun Kit is a multi-purpose stapler that emphasizes versatility, portability, and user convenience. Manually powered, this device supports a 2-in-1 stapling and nailing action. Whether for light jobs like carpeting, decoration, and upholstery, to heavier joining jobs like carpentry, this device will fit right in. For the stapling action, this device offers work flexibility, as it supports both light and heavy-duty staples for different materials of varying hardness. The nailing action makes light work of outdoor activities, like driving nails into tree bark as in decorations, repairing and joining wood pieces and floorboards as in carpentry, that constitute heavy-duty tasks. The operating device is as easy as it gets, thanks to the long, specially designed handle with a high mechanical advantage. Propelling staples and guns into the base material requires little effort from your hands. This means you can do significant work in a single run before you have to go get lunch. The rubber coating and streamlined shape of the trigger are designed to mate with your hands perfectly and provide a good grip. This will also prevent possible bruisings or markings on your hand from extended use. The WorkPro heavy-duty staple gun kit is the complete package, literally. When you buy this product, it comes with 1,000 brad nails and 3,000 staples, 1,000 light-duty, 1,000 heavy-duty, and 1,000 U-shaped staples. This means you can get to work as quickly as possible and use it once it gets delivered right out of the package, without needing to buy anything else. Talk about real value for money. A lightweight casing makes this device very portable and thus adaptable to indoor and outdoor work. For repairs or postings, it is a handy tool to get the job done without breaking a sweat. It also comes with a handle lock that makes it easy to store away and serves as a safety measure when not in use. Another amazing feature of this device that emphasizes portability is a pocket clip. Whenever you have to do work and you don't want to drop this device on the ground, just attach it to your pocket and you're good to go. Stylishly designed, it will make you look like one who's got his or her thing going. A groove in the staple compartment serves as an indicator to help you keep track of the number of staples left in the cartridge. Whether your staple gun has been stored for a while or not, this indicator will help you know if and when to reload the cartridge. So that sums up our top staple guns. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.